Welcome to Cedar Hills, a beautiful new ranch and two-story home community where you can enjoy the feeling of privacy while still being convenient to your everyday needs. Hi, I'm Raven. Thanks for stopping by. Are you looking for a change but not ready to compromise? Are you struggling to find the community and home that fits not just one or two, but all of your needs? If so, you've come to the right place. Offering a variety of floor plans for any family and a lot of amenities in a secluded yet accessible community is what makes Cedar Hills one of a kind. Our two-story homes offer up to 5 bedrooms and 3,000 square feet of living space with options for a loft and study for your family. Our kitchens are designed to give you plenty of room for Sunday meal prep or for entertaining guests. Our open floor plans will allow you to keep an eye on the kids while cooking in the kitchen. Is your bedroom your favorite place to unwind after a long day? In your new owner suite and spa-like bath, you can relax in luxury. Even our two-story homes have the option for a first floor owner suite for your ultimate comfort. Cedar Hills is conveniently located less than 3 miles from I-24 for easy access to Sam Ridley Parkway. Stewart's Creek schools are just a half a mile away from the community, making pickup and drop off of your kids easier than ever. When you want to enjoy time outdoors, soak up the sun at the community pool or take a stroll on the walking trails. Come see me today and you'll see just how perfect Cedar Hills is for you and your family. I can't wait to meet you.